Okay, today we're looking at a strategy for subtraction called make tens and balance. Now, you won't use this strategy on every single subtraction you do, but it's really handy in some circumstances. Now, normally, in some cases, not normally, in some cases you'll have a problem like this. 48 take away, 22 will do. And in an instance like this, with a problem like this, you don't need to make tens and balance, because as we know, these are the ones and these are the tens, and we've got tens and ones over here. Let's start with those ones, and we've got 8 that we're taking 2 away from. We can do that. 8 take away 2 leaves us with 6. That's the ones column done. Now we look at the tens, and we've got 4 tens, and we're taking 2 tens away. Well, 4 take away 2 leaves us with 2. So we're just splitting that. That's easy enough to do. The problem is that not all problems come that way. We might have something like this. 83 take away 26. Now, we can't do what we did above, because in this case, we've got 3 and we're trying to take 6 away. You can't do that. So we're going to need another strategy. And that strategy is make tens and balance. And what I mean by that is, I'm looking at my two numbers, 83 and 26. And I'm thinking, which is the closest to the next set of tens? Well, if I look at the 83, I need another 7 to get to 90, which is the next set of tens. So I'm 7 away. If I look at 26, though, I'm only 4 away, because I can get to 30 if I add 4. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Even though we're subtracting, we're taking away. I'm going to add 4 to my 26. So let's do that now. If I add 4 to my 26, then what I've got is 30. Now, what's the balance bit, you might wonder? I've made a set of tens. It's important that we balance it on the other side. We've changed the 26 to 30. All subtraction is the amount of numbers in between the 26 and the 83. That's the answer. Now, if I change my 26 to 30, I have to change my 83. Otherwise, the difference between the two numbers, won't stay the same, and I'll get the answer wrong. So I've added 4 to my 26. I'm going to have to balance it. That's why it's called balance on the other side. And put 4 on my 83. Well, if I do that, then I've got 87. Now, 83 take away 26 is the same as 87 take away 30. The important thing is that difference stays the same. Okay, the numbers in between 83 and 26 are the same as the numbers between 30 and 87. It's the same amount. Very, very important. Now, 87 take away 30, much easier sum for me to do. Starting with those ones again, 7 take away nothing, leaves me with 7, and 8 take away 3 leaves me with 5. So, 83 take 26 is 57. What I did was make tens and I balanced it, okay? I hope that helps. A very short video. I hope that helps though.